My name is Anthony Camden, and I'm.
Hi, hello. I am Anthony Berta.
Hello, my name is Dylan McMaster.
Hello, my name is Christopher Dunn.
My name is Derek too.
Mi nombre es Dania.
My name is Alex Sashko, and
in this building, we have what's called fabrication, right? So, and then in the building across the street, we have molding operations, right? It's all rubber-based. We're a rubber component. We are the only company in the U.S. that does both the fabrication and the molding operations.
It's like, imagine like a bunch of loose spaghetti, like a bowl of spaghetti, and then the light hits it and all the spaghetti sticks to itself. It can still move, it's still spaghetti, but it's stuck together so it's not as floppy. That's how
We make rubber gaskets. We do a little bit of everything, bonding, gluing, all kinds of stuff. Basically too. So we do a little bit of everything. We have the mold shop.
cut it all the way through.
25
And that way
years.
we cut through the material and
Yeah.
through the part, but not.
Yeah.
You love your job?
Yeah, I like my
Love it.
job. Yeah, I really do. And we have a good group of people that work here. Yeah. I wouldn't have stayed here all those years if I didn't like it, right?
Yeah.
¿Cuáles son los turnos de trabajo?
Machine operator, operadora de máquina.
¿Cuántas horas trabajas?
De 8, 10, 11 horas al día.
¿Cuánto tiempo estás en esta compañía?
Voy a tener como 8 años.
Every day's different. Every day's a little bit different. You know, some days are good days, some days you have more of a challenge. You know, so that's one thing I like about it. It's never the same thing when you come in every day. It's always something.
And now it's injecting rubber, liquid rubber from all these units behind it, all these mixing metering units back. Over here we're making like parts for airplane windows. Yeah, so this is like a big rubber part. You guys recognize that? Maybe look out, look out the window of an airplane.
Thanks.
How was your experience with Swenson 7 years?
It was an awesome experience. Best in the world.